Hello guys, welcome back to Excelsior Academy. Again, I'm here with the another numerical problem on the restriction enzyme. So these are the different kinds of questions which you can go through so that you can get prepared for your upcoming exam. So let's do this question. So the question says the restriction enzyme Hind 3 recognizes the sequence AAGCTT. So what will be the average size of the fragment produced if it is cleaved by this enzyme? So again, even the question says differently, and but what we have discussed last time, it is going to be the same. If you want to calculate the frequency, then again you need to talk about the sequences and what is the probability of each purine and pyrimidine occurring over there. In the same way, we need to solve this question also. So let's see how we have to proceed. So we know that the given sequence is given as A, G, C, T and T. So again, we know that A, T and GC, there are 4 bases, right? So the probability of each basis is going to be 1 upon 4. So now, in each case, in each space, so there are 6 base pairs are there, right? 6 spaces are there. So now we need to calculate the probability of each basis occurring in that particular position. So how we are going to do this thing? Again, let us say that adenine is there. So what will be the probability of occurring A? It is going to be 1/4, right? Again, 1/4. G, it is another purine. The probability is again going to be 1/4. What about C and T? They are also the pyrimidine. So the occurrence is again, it is going to be 1 upon 4. So likewise for thymine also. Now what you need to do is, the question asks is the average size of the fragment produced if it is cleaved by the hind 3. Okay. So what we need to understand over here is that you need to get this particular sequence in order for the enzyme to recognize and make a cut. Now how you're going to calculate the probability? It is going to be the multiplication of all these. Okay. So we know that it is 116. Then it is 164. That is, 4 into 4, 16, 4, 16 into 4, 64. Then again, you are going to get 256. Then 1024. And finally, what you get is 1 upon 4096. Right? Or in short, it is 1 by 4 upon 6. Now, so what will be the answer over here? So the average size of the fragment is going to be around 4096 base pair, after which the enzyme is making a cut. Okay. So the probability of occurring this sequence, we can say that it is 1 upon 4096. But if suppose they're asking what is the size of the fragment produced, then you can say that it is 4096 base pair. Okay. So depending on that, you need to give your answer accordingly. So that's all for today. So whenever I'm getting a good question related to restriction enzyme, I'm providing you with the solution also. Soon I'm going to take the restriction mapping also, so that we can understand whenever there is a cut by the enzymes, how does the vector map. So all these questions will be coming soon. So stay tuned with the Excelsior Academy. So you'll be learning more and getting prepared for your upcoming CSR exam and the other exams also. So thank you guys for listening.